Are you looking for your dream home near Metro Manila? Tara, i-discover natin si Privado Homes dito sa Binyan City, introducing the Tiesa model. Imagine, meron kang 3 bedrooms, built-in cabinets, 2 toilet and baths, at meron ka pang sariling carport at the same time, meron kang walk-in closet. So, tara po, tingnan natin, silipin natin ang inyong dream home dito sa Privado Homes. So, let's start dito sa outside muna ng ating unit. So, on this side, we have our provision for your garden. So, ayan po. So, same thing with the rimas. So, meron tayo ditong stony style. I'm not sure kung anong tawag dito. So, paki-comment na lang po kung anong tawag dito sa bricks na to. Then, dito naman we have our carport. So, dito sa carport, napakahaba ng ating carport. So, kasya dito, siguro van. So, o maluwag pa sa van natin or even yung mga SUV or pickup. So, kasya po dito. Then, on this side, ayan, medyo hindi pa lang siya natitrim, pero meron tayo ditong provision for your garden, but at the same time, depende kung ano pong gusto nyong gawin dito. Kung gusto nyo gawin parking pa rin, pero medyo alangan siguro siya for the car. Siguro kasya e-bike, pero mahaba din siya. Then dito sa end, ayan, dito po ang ating service area and ideal for our laundry area. So, tara po, pasok po tayo sa loob. And before kong makalimutan guys, dito sa may parking meron tayong sliding door na very accessible if we're going to our car park. Then, let's go inside. Excited na ba kayo? So, dito, the same thing. So, meron tayong solid wood door panel. So, tara. Then, ayan, very spacious din ang ating ground floor. So, let's start with our living area. Kung mapapansin nyo, napakalawak ng living area natin. So, ayan po. Then, on our ceiling, included na po yung drop. Ayan, yung naka-drop ceiling po tayo. So, kasama na po siya upon turnover. Then, adjacent to that, we have our dining area. So, yeah, we have 6 seaters. So, napakaluwag, pero syempre, again, depende pa rin naman kung paano natin siya isa-set up kasi kayo pa rin po ang masusunod. Depende on your family needs. Then dito, we have our kitchen. So, we have granite kitchen. Ayan, nakaslab siya, straight siya, with stainless sink and meron tayong stainless faucet and including na rin yung hanging cabinet natin and ating base cabinet. So, ayan, kasama na po siya. Then on this side, dito nakaset yung ating fridge na 2-door. So ayan, 2-door siya. So at least you have idea kung ano yung pwede nyong ilagay ditong fridge. Then on the other side, we have our stove. Ayan, we have our La Germania na stove or ayan. So siguro ang idadagdag mo nandito ay yung range wood mo para hindi masyadong maamoy sa ating ground floor. Or pwede mo siyang ilagay dito sa may laundry area or sa service area. Ayan. Makita niyo meron ding sample ng washing machine. Ayan po. Then sa tabi niya, well of course, our first toilet and bath. And by the way guys, upon turnover, hindi po kasama yung ating glass dyan na for the shower area. Ayan. So, we're done on the first floor. Nag-enjoy po ba kayo? Naluwagan ba kayo with our first floor? So, kung naluwagan po sila or nagustuhan nila yung first floor pa lang, so paki-comment po or you can message me. Okay? So, let's have on the second floor. And by the way, bago ko makalimutan uli, naka-ceramic tiles tayo ng 60 by 60 dito sa ground floor. Okay, then on the second floor, from the stairs, So, naka-vinyl po tayo dito. So, we have 3 bedrooms din dito. So, let's see. On our first bedroom na ideal po sa family nila, or sa mga anak nila, or sa kids nila, so eto po. Including na rin po ang built-in cabinet natin upon turnover. Then, we have our second bedroom na ideal for our another kid or sa anak natin. And by the way guys, meron po tayong ongoing RFO or unit dito na Chesa model. So if you're interested, just simply message me on the contacts on the screen. And lastly, we have our master's bedroom. Kung makikita nyo, napaka-spacious ng master's bedroom. So we have our queen size here. So meron pa siyang dalawang corner table at the same time naglagay pa sila ng study area and basically, so ayan, ito yung ating magiging entertainment area wherein you can put your LED television and kung ano man yung kailangan po nila habang nagre-relax tayo dito sa master's bedroom ni Privado Homes. Then, we have our, inside the master's bedroom, we have our toilet and bath. Ayan. Then lastly, ayan, meron tayong built-in or walk-in closet dito sa Chesa model wherein, ayan, meron tayo, ayan, pwedeng, dito natin ilagay yung mga clothes or kung ano man yung kailangan nating ilagay dito. Ayan po. So, ayan yung good thing dito kay Chesa model. Very spacious and functional nung mga nilagay nila. So, I guess yung price nito will be worth it for this. Then, ayan, dito naglagay ng table. Siyempre, hindi natin pwedeng kalimutan yung ating wife na siyempre kailangan magpaganda after niya mag-take ng shower. So, ayan po, naglagay sila dito. But anyway, this is not included, pero you can put any design na gusto nyo po. Huwag nang magpahuli. Message me today. Baka maunahan ka pa. This is Jun Yambao, your property consultant dito sa Privado Homes, Binyan City. Bye-bye!